Texas Securities Board targets fraud crypto project touting ties with Russian government. The Texas State Securities Board has stopped a decentralized lending pool from sales of securities after the firm touted its ties with the Russian government. Travis J. Iles, the Securities Commissioner of the Lone Star State, has written an emergency cease and desist notice to immediately stop services. Linked to Big Whale, EO, a staking and lending decentralized finance DeFi protocol based on Binance Smart Chain. Big Whale, EO claims to offer passive income opportunities, but it has come under scrutiny for making potentially false promises. The platform allegedly claimed to have raised $6 million from more than 2,000 investors and later said it had been attacked by a hack that drained all investors' funds. It is now threatening to mobilize assets within the Russian government to pursue extrajudicial revenge, an official release from the securities authority said. Decentralized app promotion. Per the cease and desist order, Big Whale, EO is now promoting digital asset lending investments sold through a decentralized application DApp. The firm promised to lend these digital assets to vetted borrowers who would pay interest to Big Whale, EO. The company would further use this to pay lucrative interest to its investors. Interests were as high as 2% per day with the option to compound yield and earn a return of nearly 500% after a term of 90 days, the release wrote. Furthermore, Big Whale has relied on social media and online influencers to promote its DApp using a multi-level marketing scheme. The multi-level marketers were allegedly promised significant compensation, it added. The company had failed to disclose its capitalization and provide other information to its securities offering. It also refused to furnish its principals and office locations. Concealing the identity of persons entrusted with money is an enormous red flag, Commissioner Iles wrote. Investors should generally avoid firms that dwell in the shadows, promoters that hide from daylight, and offerings carefully crafted to avoid laws designed to protect the public. In short, offerings that operate in obscurity are best avoided. Big Whale, EO suffered hack. Though Big Whale confirmed the safety of its program, an audit conducted recently notes that the DeFi lending pool appears to be using user deposits as other people's rewards, which is close to a Ponzi scheme. On October 3, the firm announced that it had suffered hack that resulted in the loss of investors' funds. Following the hack, Big Whale started threatening to use assets in the Russian government, hoping that the perpetrator would respond. We will go above and beyond legal resources, and we will stop short at saying what the Russian government and its contacts are capable of. We are not responsible for what actions the hacker or hackers may face from agents who may or may not be working directly with us.